This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including the updated second edition of Social Security in 30 Minutes by author Emily Pogue. Today, we're going to be talking about the government's, the Social Security Administration's official definition of disability, which came up in Emily's book. And if this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So basically, this book, the second edition of Social Security in 30 Minutes, it talks about SSI and SSDI, and the fact that the government has a definition of disability. And actually, if you go to the SSA.gov website, you can actually find a page that says disability evaluation under Social Security and the definition of disability. And basically, it says the law defines disability as the inability to engage in any substantial gainful activity by reason of any medically determinable physical or mental impairments, which can be expected to result in death or which has lasted or can be expected to last for a period of not less than 12 months. And this is a pretty important thing to note. This is the Social Security Administration's definition of disability, which may be different than what we think of as a disability or what other government agencies say is a disability. So in other words, it's not just enough to have a neck brace or to be in a wheelchair for a certain period of time. It has to be determined by medical evidence. The government is very strict about that. The other thing to note is that there's slightly different information for disability in children. And also this website, the SSA.gov website, has the disability determination process, which anyone who is applying for SSI and SSDI should read before they get into it, because it is complicated, it is bureaucratic, and as Emily noted in her book, it can take a while to get through the bureaucracy in order to qualify for SSI and SSDI. So Emily's book contains a lot of information about applying for both of these programs, as well as some of the bureaucratic steps that come up when the government is determining whether you can qualify for SSI or SSDI. Frequently, it involves state-level bureaucracies, which you may have to deal with, or your representative may have to deal with, so be aware of that. But of course, the main place to authoritatively find out about Social Security disability benefits or the definition or the qualification process is either the Social Security website or your local Social Security office, wherever you happen to live. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe on YouTube for more information. Check the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.